everyone, and welcome back to Rosie's Reviews. I'm so excited today because I got some new blankets that I would love to show you and just give you some ideas. I don't know if you guys seen it, like those pizza blankets, the money blankets, the tortilla blankets. There's also many different type of blankets that are fun to give out, that are fun as gifts, gag gifts, or just an add-on to whatever you have, or just a mixture. Your white elephant. I know Christmas is already over, but you can always use these gifts for future things or whatever you want to do. I just want to show you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Official, on TikTok, Rosie's Reviews, and also here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. All right, so let's get started. All right, so this is the first one. It's a pizza combo. So let's open that up. All right, so this is what it looks like. Oh, this one's just a pepperoni one. Ain't that beautiful? That's so cute. All right, so the only thing I don't like about this blanket is that the other side is just white. So it's kind of like, you know, it's just plain. So it's only cute on this side. So if I were to give this out, I'm just reviewing it. I am gonna keep it because I like it. I think it's a fun blanket. I think the funnest thing would be, I would do like a theme. So for this pizza blanket, there's other things that I have that are pizza. So I would go ahead and just wrap it up really cute like this and give it out. Make sure like the white is inside and it doesn't show when you're wrapping it. So that's what I would do different, is do that. But yeah, I really wish the other side was like at least like a brown color, you know, the crust. But it's not, and that's, I mean, what can you do about it? So that's why I'm reviewing it, to show you guys the other side and see if it's something that you're interested in. I like it. I mean, it's gonna be a gift, that's fine, I'm sure, because when you're covering yourself, you just want to cover yourself like this. The other side doesn't really show. It just would have been creative if it was across, and it's not, and that's okay. So it's just a very short review on this pizza blanket. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure you subscribe, check out my other videos. I have tons of other blankets I'm gonna review next. So stay tuned for my tortilla blanket review. I'll see you guys later. Bye.